If you suspect someone has been in your room while you're away, there are several simple yet effective methods to confirm your suspicions. You can discreetly place a small object, like a piece of paper, between the door and its frame. Position a lightweight item, such as a shoe behind the door, or carefully arrange your belongings in a unique way to detect any disturbance. Other low-tech tricks include taping a hair or thread across the door crack, using a rubber band around the doorknob and latch, or hiding cereal under a doormat to reveal entry. For a more scientific approach, dusting for fingerprints with baby powder or taking before and after photos can be effective, while investing in motion sensors, security cameras, or even using a webcam offers advanced surveillance. If you confirm an intrusion, it's advisable to have a direct conversation and set clear boundaries if you know the person. For unknown intruders, contact the authorities and always ensure your doors are locked.